Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok repost button not showing. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem where you can't find a TikTok repost button and you want to fix it. So to fix that, what you can do is follow some basic steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your TikTok and then tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, just simply tap on privacy and then make sure that your private account is not turned on. So if your private account is turned on, then you can't repost anything on TikTok. Make sure that it's turned off, and after turning it off, you will find the repost button on TikTok. So just simply go ahead to your reels on TikTok and then just simply tap on the three dotted icon and then you can find the repost button over there. So that's it guys, this is how to fix TikTok repost button not showing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.